ULTA Gilmore Girls makeup? Does it do justice to that fabulous show? Hello everybody, my name is Ann, Fabulous Life 101. Thanks for tuning in today, but hey, if you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? Thanks so much. On my channel, you'll find everything from meditation to makeup to fashion to anything that makes you feel more fabulous at any age. Well, today I'm trying a couple of items I got from ULTA recently from the Gilmore Girls collection. Now, Gilmore Girls has been one of my favorite shows ever since it first debuted. Do these items do justice to Lorelai and Rory and all the people of Starr's Hollow? I'll let you know. Good morning, beautiful people. Well, I was in ULTA a few days ago. For some reason, I decided to just look over the ULTA brand section. I don't really check out that aisle that much. But to my surprise, I found a whole counter dedicated to products from one of my all-time favorite television shows, Gilmore Girls. They had a total of 8 items. A lot of them were already out of stock. Apparently, they'd been in for several weeks before I discovered them. So I found 2 that I wanted to buy and test. And I'm going to do that for you today. One of them, Ulta Beauty Gilmore Girls 4-piece lip kit. And this has, it says, life is short, talk fast, the motto of Gilmore Girls. This has 2 tinted lip oils and 2 tinted glosses. The other one I brought, Ulta Beauty Gilmore Girls 6-piece gel eyeliner kit. And I normally like gel pencil eyeliner, so I was very curious as to what these would be like. This has 6 colors, and they all have cute little names associated with Gilmore Girls. Poodles, which is the white, Queen of Ice Cream, light blue, World of Books, which is the taupe, Deuce's Market, a brown, and Off to College, black, and Dragonfly Inn, which is a lilac. So I'm going to just test these out, just see what the texture is like. I'm going to start with this blue. And okay, it is one, you roll it up, and let's see how it's, okay, it's a very thin point. So I guess it is a genuine liner. Let me try it right now. I'm going to try it on my lash line. It's not super soft as far as really going on without having to pull on your eyelids. I'm not that crazy about it for that reason. Well, anyway, this is the blue. Oh, it broke off. Okay. First time using it, it breaks off. Here it is. It comes off a little bit flaky, and again, you have to pull on your eyelids a little bit to use it. So already, it's not as good as the Essence, which these were, it was 6 for $18, so that's pretty inexpensive. I think $3 a piece. But the Essence is also very inexpensive, and I like it a lot better. Alright. I'm going to try another color. Let's see what the brown looks like. I feel like I have to press hard, and then when I press hard, like when I did with the testing the blue, it broke. So, well, it's not the worst gel eyeliner I've tried. It's definitely not the best. I think I'm going to stick to my Essence. All right, well anyway, I'll just demonstrate the colors for you. This is the blue. Here is the brown. It is, you know, a nice shade of brown, I guess. Okay, this is the taupe. And oh, it broke again. And it comes off again. It sort of flakes off. It's just, I'm sorry, but you're not doing Starr's Hollow justice. Lorelai and Rory deserve better than this. All right, let me try the black. Hopefully I'll find one color that really is the same. They all look the same. The black does seem to go on a little bit smoother on my hand. Let me try it. I'll test this one on my eyelid. Right, the color seems to go on a little easier with the black. It's still nowhere near as good as the Essence gel eyeliner. Okay, lilac. This is a really pretty color. Let's try it on my hand again. I'm not getting any color. I'm pressing really hard and it's just barely showing any color. I'm going to try this along my lower lash line and just see how it does on the eye. Again, to get any color, you have to press really hard, which is not good for the skin down there. All right, and last but not least, I'm going to try the white. Okay. Just take a little bit of this and put it in the corner of my eye. And it broke off. Yeah, this whole kit, thumbs down. They're not going to get a lot of use for me. The ones I buy at Ulta from Essence are so much better and about the same price. And to use the name of Gilmore Girls, Lorelai, Rory, I'm sorry. Hopefully this will fare a little bit better. This is the Ulta Beauty 4-piece lip kit. And these two are lip oils and these are lip glosses. Okay, I'm going to test them all on my hand first and then decide what to use on my lips. All right, this lip oil is called Best Friends. Very cute Gilmore-esque title. Roy and Lane or Lorelai and Suki. Okay, yeah, it has a nice color to it. And then let's try the other lip oil. This one is called Like Mother, Like Daughter. I think one of the reasons I like the show so much is that I would watch it with my daughter when she was growing up. And we still both like the show a lot. And this is a nice, more pinky color. Both of these are really pretty. I think I'm going to put on the pinkish one today. I'm definitely liking this better than the eyeliners. Okay, maybe this actually does justice to the show. This lip oil actually feels sort of like a balm. Really nice and soft. It goes on smooth. Just enough tint to give your lips a little bit of color. All right, let me try the glosses. This gloss is called Better Together. Maybe that refers to Lorelai and Luke. And dab it here. Okay, this is a nice pink. I'll try a little bit of this on top of the oil. That gives a nice amount of shine. Not a lot of color, but yeah, it feels good on my lips. I like the texture. All right, the final one in here, the final color, which looks sort of maybe a light pink peach, and this one's called Two of a Kind. And again, a little dab of it. Yep, just a hint of color. And I think combining them, they're both more gloss than color, so combining them should be okay. All right, if you want a soft, natural lip with a little bit of shine, I do think these are pretty good. It was $18 for 4. Life is short, talk fast. So yes, the 4-piece lip kit does get a thumbs up. Unfortunately, the eyeliners, no. They had some other things. I know they had a palette. I have so many palettes right now. I decided not to buy it. The colors were pretty, but nothing that I didn't have. And they had some lip crayons, as well as things like hair accessories, makeup bags. Overall, it was a really cute collection. And I am glad I bought these lip glosses. Probably will be using them. Will maybe keep one in my purse. Not so the eyeliners. Actually, this has kind of made me want to binge watch Gilmore Girls. I think it's on Netflix. Well, if you like this video, could you please give it a thumbs up? And hey, is there a new brand or a new product you discovered that you'd like for me to try? If so, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.